like projectiles gonna fly from their mouths. There they are! Look at them run! Oh, look, they're having so much fun! Look at them run! They're laughing so hard! Ah! That's pretty scary. I don't know about you. Scared out of my brain. Look at them go! Look at them twirl around, flinging their heads back in so much fun. I would be getting sick right about now. I don't know what to do with myself. I'm just gonna fling myself around. Yay! That's grand. That's a grand time right there. Prime time. And now they're gonna get sick. Oh, welcome back as they throw up in the bushes.